everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mary Beth from MbGray Designs. So today I'm going to make this adorable, not a jar, whatever. It's like a little bowl thing with a lid and it has a bow that goes on top of it. It's so super cute and it's perfect for like jewelry, makeup. It's very girly and I love it so much. I've made a lot of these and have given them out as gifts and stuff. Anyway, so they're really fun to make, and I'm going to marble 3 colors today. So we're going to use Wisteria Sparkle from Laura's Art Corner. It is a beautiful, beautiful purpley blue sparkle, and we're going to pair that with Rolio's Nightshade. It's a lighter lavender type purple color, as well as Mateo's Diamond White. And so there's our color palette today. I'm very excited to be doing this pour. For the life of me, it's either 12 ounces or 16 ounces. I can't remember exactly what this holds. I'm going to do 16 ounces, so we might have some extras. If we have time in this video, I also, because I thought it would be kind of cute, it's a makeup brush holder. It goes like this. It's a big bow. You can put makeup brushes. You could put whatever you want in it, any type of holder. But so I will do a separate pour for this. I'm not sure if it's going to be in this video, but I think it might. We'll see what happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm definitely using the Let's Resin 1-to-1 epoxy resin, part A and part B. What are we doing? 16 ounces. So we'll do 8 of part A, 8 ounces of part B. Definitely we'll be using the large mixer today since it's 16 ounces. We're going to get that mixed, start mixing that up here soon. And I'm going to get my mica powders in cups and I'm going to start dissolving them with alcohol so that when I pour the resin in, we will not have any unmixed mica powder. So we'll get all that going and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my mica powders in all my cups. I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to pour a very, very little bit of alcohol. I probably need just a smidge more. There we go. And that's enough to dissolve the mica powder. And that's it, just in case you're new, because this is a trick I learned from Michelle on Glitznglitter. I think one of her subscribers mentioned it or something. But anyway, this is where I learned it from. And it's fantastic. I already done it to the other ones. I'm still mixing. I'm gonna pour the resin in my cups and then I gotta start running it through the bubble remover. I can only fit 3 cups at a time in the bubble remover. It's 10 minutes, so it's gonna be about 20 minutes. But that's okay. My resin will start to thicken up and that's fine because I'm gonna be marbling. I want it to somewhat stay separate if it can. I'm not gonna be using glue today in my resin. So I will be back when we're ready to pour. Okay, I am back and we are ready to pour. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the bow first. You can tell how many times I've made this. It's getting really white, this mold. But that's good. It's because I like it so much. All right, we're going to start with the Wisteria Sparkle. Kind of drizzle. And then I'm going to do some white. I think these 3 colors are going to look really pretty together. And then some of this, I think it was called Nightshade or something from Rolio, this beautiful like purple lavender color. And then we're just going to go back and forth. And this is what we're going to do on all 3 of these molds. So what I'll probably do is just fast forward you when I'm editing and put a little music on, since it's kind of the same little thing we're doing here over and over again.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Okay, so we've got quite a bit of the nightshade left, like 3.5 ounces. I am going to pour this cute dish mold, and we probably have about 1 ounce of the white. I might just put that in my extra drippings mold. I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll see. We might still have some extra of this too. I made way too much. So I think it is 12 ounces that the bow and the container hold. And I made too much for sure. Okay, so there's that one. I think that one takes like close to 3 ounces maybe. Okay. So we've got close to about 1 ounce left of the lavender. And of the white, I've got 1 ounce over here, maybe a 1/2 ounce over here. So, well, let's see here. Let's try to do. This is always the tough part. I really need to be more prepared for extras. So let's see if we have enough for my bunny. And we will marble him. And the rest will just go in my, I have a jar mold that I'm just filling up with extras. So let's see if we can get some of the white up in there. And we'll get our lavender. Same process. I'm out of that beautiful Wisteria Sparkle. We used all that in the main project. Just fine. I don't know. Maybe with scraping, I have a little bit more white over here too. I think we might make it. Oh yeah, I think we might once I scrape these cups. This little bunny mold is so cute. All right, sorry if my hand is in the way. I put this mold in an awkward spot. Okay, it looks like we're full. All right, well then what I'll do is fill this, oh, whoopsie. I'll just put the rest in here, and I'm going to spray for bubbles and then get my heat mat going, and then we'll be back to demold. Okay, are we ready to demold? I'm excited to see this. So let's get our little bunny out. I made one of these not too long ago, and it turned out really cute. So we'll make another little bunny. Let me pull this closer to me. The pieces are still a little warm. I'm having a problem getting this one out. Sorry. Oh, I don't want to break him. We might have to wait on the bunny. His leg is kind of, oof, I don't know about the bunny. All right, let's try this cute dish. This dish is really pretty. This is a handmade mold from Michelle at Glitznglitter. And it's an adorable little dish. See if I can break that suction. There we go. Get the mold put back. I don't like to touch the inside without gloves on. There we go. Okay. That's pretty. It has little hearts on it, you know, but they're subtle. I think they're so pretty. It's just a cute little dish. What do you think? I'm looking to see if there's any bubbles. And it's looking pretty good. All right. There's that. Okay, let's get the bow. I got a little bit of, oopsie, overpour here. See if I can get that off real quick. I'm excited to see how these three colors marbled. Hopefully, I don't know, it's kind of looking like one color. We'll see here. Man, that was, what's it called? Wisteria Sparkle is so pretty. You can see it. That's the darker color. There's a little bit of the diamond white. And then, of course, I forget what it was called, that lavender color by Rolio. But the bow is pretty. I'm not seeing bubbles. That's always a good sign. Okay, let's do the lid. Oh, I hope I don't have bubbles around the top part. I really had to go around it a bunch, and it was hard to see because my mold is getting kind of white because I've used it so much, so I couldn't really tell. And I do have some little bubbles there, not super bad, nothing big and gaping or anything, so I think it's okay. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. And see, the bow will go on top. Oh man, that Wisteria Sparkle is so beautiful. Looks amazing with that diamond white too. All right. So now for the actual jar or whatever you want to call this. Dish, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get probably another one of these molds. Like I said, I've used it quite a bit. Okay, there it is. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm loving the white in there with the dark, and you can see the lighter lavender. That looks so good. And I'm not seeing too many bubbles. Okay, and then what will happen is this is let's make sure the lid, okay, the lid fits. That's good. And then that will go on top. It's super cute. But of course, I will be decorating it. So let me work on decorating these pieces. I will try one more time here. I just don't want to break his little leg off. But I'm worried I already have. And I think I did. So we might as well just get him out. I think I broke, yeah, one of his legs. And an ear. Oh, yeah, this is not. This mold, you definitely need to let it. You can see the ear. I'm going to have to glue that. And let's hope this is a clean break. And I can glue his little leg back on because he looks so cute. Poor little bunny. I'm going to have to do surgery on you. So there's the bunny. I will glue it back on. It does look like it'll fit nicely. But there he is. Poor little guy. I love his coloring. His face is white. That's so cute. So yeah, we need to fix him. Okay, I will get busy and then we'll be back for the final reveal. All right, are we ready to see how our bunny and our bow mold dish and our other little dish turned out? So here's our bunny. You can tell, but I glued the leg back on, and I did have to put a little bit of glue on the ear. It didn't break completely, but I think she's cute. She'll just be my little friend and hang out with me at my finishing table when I'm working on stuff. So I'll have to think of a name. If you know a name for my cute little lavender and white bunny, let me know. But that is her. And then this is the beautiful heart dish. All I did was I put some silver rhinestones in the middle of each heart. And I did take a chrome pen and just go around the top very lightly. And I think it's super cute. What do you think? Okay, are you ready for the bow box? I don't know what to call it. So here's the bottom of it, or the actual box part. And I went ahead and put silver rhinestones in like each intersection there. And then for the lid, here's the lid and the bow. I just glued the bow on top so it's still curing. But we put the rhinestones. Oopsie. See, I knew it was too soon. That's okay. It'll set. Anyways, I guess I can just show you like this. So here's the bow. I think it turned out really cute. And then here's the top of the lid. And all I do is I have B7000 and it will hold, but I need to let it cure. And it's late, so it'll sit all night and we'll have it cure. And it looks really cute on top of the box. So there we go. What do you think? I think everything turned out super cute. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a good time. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, I've got a few coupon codes in the description box. So that will help save you some money on Rolio, Jdiction, and Bondcrafter. And please feel free to email me if you're interested in any of my demos, or if you would like a custom order, or for any reason. I'd love to hear from you. All right, everyone. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get